Welcome to the even berry stitch. For materials, you will need a basic size 4 yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. To start, we will chain in multiples of 2. For row 1, single crochet into the 3rd chain from hook, and then into each chain after that. For row 2, chain 1 and turn. This counts as your first slip stitch. Skip the first single crochet, then place a berry stitch into the next single crochet. After the berry stitch, you place a slip stitch. Repeat these instructions down the row. When you get to the end of the row, make sure to work the final slip stitch into the turning chain. For row 3, we will chain 1 and turn. This does count as your first single crochet. Skip the first stitch, then place a slip stitch into the top of the berry stitch. Single crochet into the slip stitch from the previous row. Then repeat the instructions down the row. Slip stitch into the top of each berry stitch and single crochet into each slip stitch from the previous row. For row 4, chain 1 and turn. This does count as your first slip stitch. Place a berry stitch into the next slip stitch. The berry stitches should be on top of one another. Slip stitch into the next single crochet. Then repeat to the end of the row. Repeat rows 3 and 4 until the desired length. Then fasten off and weave in your tails. If you want a flat edge, be sure to finish on a row 3.